In this video, I'm going to show you how to change font color in Microsoft Word quickly and easily. If you've ever wanted to make important text stand out, match a document theme, or just add a little visual polish, this simple feature can help a lot. And the best part is, it only takes a few clicks. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy Microsoft Word tips and software walkthroughs. Let's jump right in. First, open Microsoft Word and load the document you want to edit. Once your document is open, click and drag your mouse to highlight the text you want to change. You can select a single word, a sentence, a full paragraph, or even multiple sections if needed. The text has to be highlighted first so Word knows exactly what you want to edit. Now look at the top of Word and click the Home tab. This is where most of the basic formatting tools are located, including font style, font size, bold, italic, underline, and of course font color. After you're on the Home tab, find the font section. In that section, look for the font color icon. It usually looks like a capital letter A with a colored bar underneath it. Next, click the small arrow next to the font color icon. This opens a color menu with several options. You'll usually see theme colors, standard colors, and sometimes more color choices depending on your version of Word. From here, simply select the color you want to apply to your highlighted text. As soon as you click a color, Word will automatically update the selected text. That means your highlighted words will instantly change to the new font color without needing any extra steps. If the color doesn't look right, don't worry. You can always highlight the text again and choose a different color until you get the look you want. If you want to change more than one section, just repeat the same process. Highlight the next section of text, go back to the Home tab, open the font color dropdown, and choose another color. This is useful if you want to color code headings, emphasize key points, or separate different parts of a document visually. A helpful tip is to use font color carefully so your document stays easy to read. Dark colors like blue, black, or dark green usually work well for professional documents, while brighter colors can be useful for emphasis, notes, or creative projects. If you're working on a school assignment, business report, or resume, it's a good idea to keep the design clean and consistent. And that's it. You now know how to change font color in Microsoft Word. It's a small formatting change, but it can make a big difference in how your document looks and feels. If this video helped, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next simple Word tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.